What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are up at the new job. The last time I was here was when we were doing the foundation coating on all of the walls here. We did this house section, and then we also did the garage over there, which is where our guys are currently working. Our main focus is the garage first. We want to get that framed, that way we can use it to store stuff in. But since the last time I was here, there's been quite a bit of progress. The entire yard has been graded. The slabs are poured, both the house and the garage, and we are ready to roll. We are getting all the plates down now. We're going to try and frame all of the walls today on the garage as well. But right now I have the forklift pulled behind my truck. I'm going to pull all of that foam out. That foam is for this house section over here. They were requiring 3 inches of foam on all of the walls here on the inside.
Let's go.
Alright guys, we just finished up lunch. While I was out grabbing lunch, the guys framed that one far wall over there, which is actually the left side wall. But before I ran out, we got all of our plates set, sill steel, aluminum and whatnot, and now we are moving on to the back wall, and then I'm assuming we'll come down the side and finish with the couple small pieces on the front here. But I'm going to set this up on a time lapse while we frame the rest of these, and we'll see how far we get today.
Son of a bitch.